Remember that last time we reviewed that some Biafrans in Nigeria army are dying in detention. We make this thing publicly and say that if you have your child, or if you have anybody who from Southeast, or even though you from Abo, you from Benue, you from all these places where they can't put say Igbo, go and check your brother in Nigeria army. We'll make this thing publicly that most of them are languishing inside that place. Today, the video have reviewed what we are saying last time. More than 100,000 Nigeria army in Nigeria prison, in military prison. As we dey talk right now, they say one try to protest today, na so they buy am for inside the place. Now some can't get the guts to make video to show say see wetin they pass into that place. Most of those people you see that place, check them very well. They are from Southeast. My people, things are happening. I'm going to play the video for you to hear from your own ear. If you dey prepare to go join army, be very careful. It better say you carry chair sit down for your papa house. Watch this video, and before we come back I continue. I don't want to talk too much, just watch the video.
No confirmation, they are waiting. Keep telling us they are waiting for confirmation. 5 years. So I want to let you guys know, look at where soldiers are sleeping. Many soldiers have finished their case and the confirmation has yet to come, and they also refuse to release those ones that has been dismissed. They dismiss a soldier and they refuse to release them. If you dismiss a soldier, what next is to allow him to go. Let him go and start life new. But they refuse to release those soldiers. Over 40 soldiers have been waiting for confirmation for how many years now? In 80 probos. Look at the soldiers. We are over 100 soldiers here. No place to sleep. No place to sleep. Sir, I want you to look into this case. 80 probos, Sokoto State. I want you to look into this case. Major General Mokut is the GOC in this deal. And the federal government is not doing anything. The soldiers are suffering. Salary is not enough. Jubilation every day. Look at where they are keeping us. No fan. The weather is very hot in Sokoto. You can see this fan. There's a soldier fanning himself with this fan. This is how we survive for over how many years now? No release. If you go to court, the court refuse to stay. Today they will tell you that the legal service is not on seat. Tomorrow they will tell you the court president is not on seat. The next tomorrow they will tell you the lawyer refused to come. After paying lawyers, many people are here. 3 years, they are not seeing this. Look at where we are staying. Look at where we are staying. Many soldiers have spent 4 years no salary. No, 4 years no get salary. 4 years no salary, and they are still under detention. Their family are suffering. They will pursue a soldier wife. A soldier wife will come to visit her husband, and they will pursue the soldier wife. They will not allow you to see your wife once in 1 month. They seize our food. The commander of the AD provost refused us to buy food. He said we should not buy food, and the food they are giving us is not enough. Look at where we are sleeping. This is where soldiers are sleeping. Look at where this is. Over 100 soldiers in this detention. Each room, we are almost 8 in number. Each room. The weather is so hot. You can see my body. You can see my body. I'm sweating. You can see my body. Look at the food we are eating. Look at the kind of food they are serving us. See the food they are serving us. This is one man food in every provost. We are not eating well. Look at where soldiers are sleeping. It's not a yam. Look at where we are sleeping. Look at where we are sleeping. Over how many years now we are suffering? We are suffering like this. The commander has refused to listen to us. And tomorrow, so many soldiers are here under attack, just attack. Some ambush. They lock them up here for over many years now. And they refuse to do justice. They are doing injustice in any program. Today, we thank God this has happened because we have endured enough. We have one of the MP provosts here. And his name is Last Corporal Courage. So we will detain him here until the authority do the needful. We are too congested in this custody. Look at what is going on. This is how we sleep. No space for us to sleep. No space. How many years fighting in Northeast? And at the end of the day, look at where we are sleeping. See the water we are drinking. See the water we are drinking. This is the water we are surviving with. Look at the water we are drinking. Nigerian soldier, even in Northeast, this was the kind of water I'm eating. Brown color. This is what we are drinking. Because the authority has refused to do the needful. They refuse to do the needful. I plead, it's a petition that the federal government should do something about the Nigerian soldiers in detention. I also plead that the Nigerian government should always visit military detention because so many injustices are going on in the military. So many injustices. A soldier will have a case of lost ammunition. Just one ammunition, they will keep a soldier for how many years? 5 years, 3 years. Just one ammunition. A soldier will be under ambush. They will detain the soldier to write statement. Look at where soldiers are sleeping. This is where we are sleeping. You can see the food we are eating. See where a soldier is sleeping. You can see where Nigerian soldiers. All this fan, we are using it. We are using this fan in order to fan ourselves. 10 soldiers in single cell. The commander, Lieutenant Colonel Obot, is claiming that the Nigerian army belongs to him. Federal government, come to our aid. Come to our aid. It's too much. Nigerian soldiers are suffering too much. We are suffering too much. The Nigerian Air Force and the Nigerian Navy are not treating their soldiers like this.
My people, as you have watched this video, please share this video so that the people who own these people will start going for them, because I know that no matter what, you must have a prodigal son. Now be those ones will go join them, because Mazin and the Carl make it clear. Say if you get any interest, if you want to come outside from these people, is going to take care of you. And some come out, but some did not come out, and that is the ignorant and obedient child, the prodigal ones that we are talking about. So see the video, see how they are living and how they are languishing. This is only in army. We are not talking of police, in navy, in other ones where we can find our people. Once anything miss, you don't enter inside wahala. No be smarting. However, I'm going to show you this video. May you see how this woman they give this Nigeria police both gozayo. No be smarting, no. The woman want use blow finish this policeman. Okay, may you watch the video before we come back and I can continue.
Come and carry me. You said are you mad? Are you touching my phone? Are you crazy?
Beat him now.
You want to beat me? If you touch my phone again, if you touch my phone again, sir, if you touch my phone, are you mad? Are you female police? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching my phone? Are you female police? Why are you touching my phone?
Nice one.
My God,
don't shout at me. My God, don't shout at me.
My God.
You are beat police, Abi? No. You are beating me. I think you are beating me. Sorry, my dear. You are beating me.
If you church Gogolawa, if you estate.
You are beat me, Abi.
You can't do anything. You can't do shit, my dear. Shit, you can't. Are you a female police officer? Why are you touching me? Why are you? I won't leave anywhere. Why are you touching me? Are you a female police? Why are you touching me? Touch me first. Did you see that? No. Don't do that, sir. Don't do that. After they eat our car, for what reason? Video me, I video you too. I'm listening, sir. No, sir, they are recording. Share record. See, for what reason? For what reason? Are you listener? Are you a listener officer? Are you warder? Are you road safety? What rights did you have to hold me?
Warder.
Are you a listener officer?
This one are good. You say warder.
Yes, you touch me. You're not a female police. Why are you touching me? For what reason? Do you have reason to talk to me? Am I worried? It's too wrong. Leave him. Let him stay there. No. They already removed my plate number. For what reason? Why? Why are you removing my plate? Yes, I will.
Hello, will you back to one? Not to Baba.
Yes, I won't leave here. No, because they are removing my now. Exactly. Show you the mind me. If you like carry record, are you a female?
My people, hey, this na level wey Nigeria don reach. Na the level wey things don dey now as we dey talk. However, may you share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot.